Indian government is pushing smartphone makers to enable support for its NavIC navigation system in new devices sold in the country from next year, a move that has spooked the industry due to additional costs and tight time frame. What is NavIC? NavIC, or Navigation with Indian Constellation, is an independent standalone navigation satellite system developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. NavIC consists of 8 satellites and covers the whole of India's landmass and up to 1,500 kilometers, 930 miles, from its boundaries. Currently, NavIC's use is limited. It is being used in public vehicle tracking in India, for providing emergency warning alerts to fishermen venturing into the deep sea where there is no terrestrial network connectivity, and for tracking and providing information related to natural disasters. Enabling it in smartphones is the next step India is pushing for. Like GPS, there are 3 more navigation systems that have global coverage: Galileo from the European Union, Russia-owned GLONASS, and China's Beidou. QZSS, operated by Japan, is another regional navigation system covering Asia-Oceania region, with a focus on Japan. India's 2021 satellite navigation draft policy stated the government will work towards expanding the coverage from regional to global to ensure availability of NavIC signal in any part of the world. India's 2021 satellite navigation draft policy stated the government will work towards expanding the coverage from regional to global to ensure the availability of NavIC signals in any part of the world. NavIC is as good as GPS of the United States in terms of position accuracy, the Indian government said in August. Why is India promoting NavIC? India says NavIC is conceived with the aim of removing dependence on foreign satellite systems for navigation service requirements. Relying on systems like GPS and GLONASS may not always be reliable, India says, as the defense agencies of respective nations operate those, and it is possible that civilian services can be degraded or denied. NavIC is an indigenous positioning system that is under Indian control. There is no risk of the service being withdrawn or denied in a given situation, the government said in 2021. India also wants to encourage its ministries to use NavIC applications to promote local industry engagement in developing indigenous NavIC-based solutions. This is all about NavIC. For informative videos, subscribe and click the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.